Hello friends, in today's video we are going to talk about cyberbullying. Friends, cyberbullying is nothing but cyber harassment. It is also known as online harassment or online bullying. In today's video we are going to see what is cyberbullying, what includes cyberbullying, what are the laws related to cyberbullying in India. At the end of this video we are going to see how to stop cyberbullying. First of all, myself, Advocate Sanjot Lahoti, welcoming all of you to my YouTube channel Sanjot LLB. Friends, cyberbullying is a form of bullying or harassment using electronic means such as computer, laptop, mobile phones, etc. It is also known as online harassment or online bullying because it occurs through online mode. That is, it occurs through SMS or social media or emails, etc. So it is mainly in the form of online, and hence it is called as online harassment or online bullying. Cyberbullying or cyber harassment mainly includes sending or posting or sharing negative, harmful or false content about someone else. It also includes sharing private photos of someone else or sharing personal information about someone else. Cyberbullying mainly causes embarrassment or anger or harassment or depression. So these are the main causes of cyberbullying. Now we will talk about laws in India about cyberbullying. Friends, there is no specific laws related to cyberbullying in India, but we have Information Technology Act 2000, and in this Information Technology Act there are some sections which are talk about cyberbullying, that is cyber harassment. We have section 67 of the Information Technology Act that talks about cyberbullying. Then we have section 66E of Information Technology. Then in our India we have Indian Penal Code, and some of the sections of Indian Penal Code talks about bullying or harassment. That is section 507 of Indian Penal Code talks about criminal intimidation. Then we have section 509 of Indian Penal Code, that is talk about intimidation or violation of privacy. So we have these laws related to cyberbullying. So we will see one by one what these sections talks about. Okay, so first we will see section 67 of the Information Technology Act. Friends, section 67 of Information Technology Act mainly talks about transmitting or publishing obscene material in electronic form. Then we have section 66E of Information Technology Act. This section mainly talks about publishing or transmitting private images, or mainly talks about violation of someone's privacy. Then we have Indian Penal Code, and in Indian Penal Code section 507 talks about criminal intimidation. And then we have section 509 of Indian Penal Code, which mainly talks about insulting modesty of any woman. This section is mainly for the women and for the protection of women. So we have these laws in India against the cyberbullying. Friends, now we will talk about how to stop cyberbullying. There are some basic things we need to consider before going online or before using social media that can prevent you from cyberbullying, such as don't respond to unnecessary or unwanted comments or unwanted pictures or unwanted person. Then keep the evidence with you only, keep the evidence safe, that is useful for the further reference. Then reach out for the help. Whenever you feel that you are the victim of cyberbullying, you need to complain to the nearest police station, or you can file the complaint online also. There is a cybercrime website. In that website you can lodge a complaint against any person. Then the next thing is you need to keep your social profile safe, and you need to be always mindful whenever you post something on social media. These are some basic things you need to consider before going online or before visiting any social media. So that's it. This is the information regarding cyberbullying. If you like this video, please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.